Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use Monday.com to track product bugs, your complete 25 guide. Firstly, let's open up Monday.com and head over to the template section. From here, we'll choose the bug tracker template. This step is crucial because the template provides a structured way to log and track bugs, saving us time on setting up from scratch. Now that we've done that, we need to customize our board by adding the necessary columns. For example, you can add columns for bug description, priority, status, and assign to. The reason we do this is to have all the crucial details about each bug in one place, making it easier to manage and prioritize. Next up, we're going to add our bugs to the board. Simply click on the plus new item button and fill in the details in the respective columns. This helps us because it provides a clear trail of all identified bugs and their status, which is essential for efficient bug management. While we're doing this, let me explain why this matters. Each bug logged is an opportunity to improve your product. By documenting them in a centralized and organized manner like this, you are ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Once you've logged your bugs, it's time to use Monday.com's automation feature. This feature will automatically update bug statuses, send notifications to team members, and more. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Monday.com is working as your personal assistant, helping you stay on top of things and streamline your bug fixing process. Lastly, let's not forget about Monday.com's dashboards. Dashboards allow us to create an overview of our bug tracking efforts. You can add widgets like battery for a quick view of your bug statuses or timeline to visualize your bug fixing progress. This is essential because it gives you and your team a high-level view of your product's bugs and how efficiently they're being handled. And there you have it. You've now got a handle on using Monday.com to track product bugs effectively. Remember, the key is to log, track, automate, and review. Until next time, happy bug tracking.